Vocabulary Quiz Set 8.13. Some helpful hints. Skip around, do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud, and start with the back page if you need to. All right, so top half of matching. We have adhere, atrocity, cope, deter, empower, and fluent. A, to deal well with something difficult. B, to give power or authority to. C, speaking or writing easily and smoothly or flowing gracefully. D, to stick to or remain attached. E, to discourage, scare off, or prevent through fear or doubt. F, an extremely wicked, brutal, or cruel act, something very bad or unpleasant. Part 2, we have lag, mangle, prowl, sulky, surge, and trait. G, to roam about sneakily in search of something. H, to move slowly or fall behind, to bring up the rear. I, to have a heavy, violent, swelling motion like waves, or a powerful rush forward. J, to injure very seriously by cutting, tearing, or crushing, or to bring to ruin. K, a quality or characteristic, especially of personality. L, in a bad or nasty mood, angry or gloomy. Part 2, fill in the blanks. In our word bank, we have adhered, atrocity, cope, deterred, empowered, fluent, lagged, mangled, prowls, sulky, surge, and trait. Number 1. I wasn't blank by the rain and still went to the concert anyways. 2. The woman is blank in 5 different languages. 3. The man was sent to jail for the blank he did. 4. The toddler blank behind her parents on their walk. 5. My cat blank around at night looking for bugs. 6. My mom blank a number 12 on the back of my jersey. 7. I got electrocuted and could feel pain blank through my body. 8. I felt blank after we won our 5th football game in a row. 9. Mary was blank when she found out she wasn't allowed to go to the party. 10. My favorite blank about Bob is he is funny. 11. We lost internet at home and I didn't know how to blank without talking to my friends online. 12. The chair was blank after it fell from a 3-story window.